Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most important joints in your body, your knees. They carry your weight, keep you mobile, and allow you to live an active life. But they're also one of the most commonly injured joints. So, let's go through 20 tips to strengthen, protect, and maintain your knees for years to come. Maintaining strong, healthy knees is essential for an active and fulfilling life. In today's video, we'll explore 20 valuable tips to help you keep your knees in top condition. From exercise to nutrition, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight places additional stress on your knees. Even a slight reduction can make a big difference. Number 2. Strengthen your quadriceps. Build robust quads to support knee stability. Include exercises like squats and leg presses. Number 3. Don't forget the hamstrings. Balanced muscle strength is key. Strengthen your hamstrings with hamstring curls or yoga poses like downward dog. Number 4. Keep your hips strong. Strong hips and glutes are crucial for proper knee alignment. Focus on hip strengthening exercises. Number 5. Warm up before exercise. Prepare your knees for movement with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio